third video here. We are now looking at adding in these holes. So I'll do this in 2 steps. I'm going to sketch on this face. Now I'm going to select on my circle tool here, and I can pick anywhere in here. You can try and line it up to start off with. It does try to infer where that center is, but if I was to draw this a little bit to the side, so click on circle, and I want this circle to be 3.5 millimeters. So I'm pressing the dimension tool, dragging that out, typing in 3.5. And now my next step, I want that circle to be 10 millimeters from the edge, and my whole piece is 15 millimeters wide, so the center is going to be 7.5. So I've got my 3.5 mil circle, 10 mil up, 7.5 across. And so now I go to create, and it's called here rectangular pattern tool. So I select what it is that I want to pattern, which is that circle. Now it's default going to the right. So if I was to put my number in here, which is 20, it's putting me 3 circles to the right. We do not want to do that. So I'm going to escape that, go back up, create, rectangular pattern. I select my circle, and I want to select the direction that I want to place these circles. Now I want 3, and I want the distance to be 20 millimeters. So then I'm pressing enter. Now when we go to use this, we may only use 2 of these circles, but we're allowing ourselves that third one there. And again, we may come back and modify this. So there's my 3 circles. I now want to look at, I'll finish this. So I'm going to select extrude, and I want to extrude that circle, hold down the shift key, that circle, and then that circle there. And it is 6 millimeters thick. I want to go all the way through. I'm now selecting to sketch again. Always goes back to the datum, but we want to sketch up here. Circle, click, dimension tool, 3.5, dimension tool still on, and I want this to be 7.5 from that edge, and I want to be 10 mil up from that edge there. We are then going to go to create, rectangular pattern, selecting, we're not going to the right this time, we're going to the left, which means we want to go minus 20. I press enter. We're going to finish sketch, extrude, holding down shift, click on the second one, click on the third one, and that's going to be minus 6. And I now have my little right hand knuckle, if you like, with holes ready to go in this assembly.